Hi, I'm Sean with Autel. Today, I'd like to show you the latest feature on our Ultra series tablets, Wi-Fi printing. Let's take a look at how it works. First, go into Update and verify you've installed the latest operating system update. Next, you can go into Data Manager and pull up a vehicle scan. Choose the scan that you would like to print, and then choose the 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner, and of course print. Once the PDF is created, you're going to choose Print via Wi-Fi. Please note, you can select this printer as the default printing method. However, if you were a mobile technician, you would not want to do this. But if you're in the same shop with the same network all the time, choose Print via Wi-Fi. Additionally, please note, only printers connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Ultra Scan tool will be available to you. Now, make sure the printer you're looking for is displayed, or grab the markdown and choose what printer you're looking for. Next, you're going to hit the print icon. You may have to OK printing the first time. If not, when you return to this screen, look for your printout on your printer. I hope the addition of Wi-Fi printing to our tablets saves you time in the shop. For more information on our family of products, be sure to visit us at autel.com.